from Argos. It is Adonis Awakens. First and foremost, let's take a moment to admire this gorgeous enamel painting on the metal plaque on the front of this bottle. What I find so interesting and refreshing about this fragrance is there's a little bit of Bulgarian rose that's kind of a thicker rose in the top with a rose absolute that's in the base of the fragrance. So you get a level of rich rose, warm rose the whole way through. There's some citruses at the top. What it's all about for me is a lot of this beautiful creamy sandalwood that offers this nice radiance with the rose. The raspberry again adds a little bit of sweetness to go with the vanilla, and it's very warm and brilliant. It's got a little bit of spice here from the pink peppercorn that is used. Here I feel like it's pretty well balanced and it offers a nice touch of warm spice. And with the jasmine, it just adds to the floral tone, that radiant floral smell from the two different types of rose. This is all about rose and woods with a little bit of warm spice. I haven't smelled a rose fragrance like this before, because it's just so damn unique, and it's amazing. It really is. This is amazing. This is an experience worth trying. If you've been looking for that one set you apart luxury fragrance, this might be that fragrance. You can get carded samples from Argos. It's pretty easy to get either a full sample pack and try the whole house, which I advise you to try Triumph of Bacchus as well, and Danye. If you are a fan of rose fragrances, this is definitely much more on the masculine side. I definitely think ladies can pull this off, but ladies that like slightly masculine fragrances, because this, like I said, it definitely leans more to the masculine side. Performance, again, outrageous. On skin all day, heavier on the sillage, can really grab you at any given point. The most radiant fragrance on my skin. Definitely get a sample and try it. I've been loving this one. It's Adonis Awakens from Argos.